Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a professional cover letter and resignation letter using Canva.com. And not only that, I'm going to show you how you can use these skills to earn money from home. So, let's get started. Visit the Canva website, canva.com, and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Canva dashboard. Click on the Create a Design button located at the top right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top of the page, type cover letter and hit enter. Canva will display a variety of cover letter template designs for you to choose from. Browse through the available templates and choose the one that best fits your preferences and needs. You can click on a template to view a larger preview of it. After selecting a template, you'll be taken to the Canva editor where you can customize your cover letter. Start by replacing the placeholder text in the template with your own content. Click on the text boxes in the template and modify the text according to your cover letter's content. Ensure that your cover letter includes relevant information, such as your contact details, the recipient's name and address, a formal salutation, a concise and well-structured body, and a polite closing. The editor provides various tools and options for editing the template, such as changing text, fonts, colors, and adding or removing elements. Once you're satisfied with your cover letter design, review it carefully to ensure there are no errors or typos. You can zoom in to check the details and use the preview feature to see how your cover letter will appear to others. Using Canva.com again. In the search bar at the top of the page, type letter or document and hit enter. Canva will display various templates for documents and letters. Choose a template that closely resembles a basic formal letter or document layout. While it may not be specifically tailored for a resignation letter, you can modify it to suit your needs. After selecting a template, you'll be taken to the Canva editor where you can customize the design and content of the document. Start by replacing the placeholder text in the template with your own resignation letter content. Click on the text boxes in the template and modify the text according to your resignation letter's content. Include important details such as your name, job title, current company, last working day, and a brief statement expressing your intention to resign. Customize the design elements of the template to match your preferences or the tone of a resignation letter. You can change the fonts, colors, and sizes of the text, as well as add or remove graphics, images, or shapes. Once you're satisfied with the design and content of your resignation letter, review it carefully to ensure accuracy and clarity. After finalizing your resignation letter, click on the Download button at the top right corner of the Canva editor. Choose your preferred file format, example, PDF or docx, and wait for the file to download to your computer. Open the downloaded file and verify that your resignation letter appears as intended. Make any additional changes if necessary. Now that you've learned how to make professional documents in Canva, you can start earning money with your new skills. One way to do this is by offering your services on freelance websites like Fiverr or Upwork. You can create gigs or proposals that offer cover letter and resignation letter design services. Set a price that's fair for your skills and experience, and start marketing yourself to potential clients. You can also offer your service to social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. So, there you have it. A step-by-step tutorial on how to make a cover letter and resignation letter using Canva.com, and how you can use these skills to earn money from home. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.